Hey guys, so this is a video, a very first actual nail video. It's not really a tutorial because again, I'm not a professional. I'm going to label it as I'm not a professional. I'm actually asking for advice on like what I could work on more. As you can see, it really don't even look like I actually like filed her. I'm basically taking the shine off, of course, but I'm really trying to avoid burning her nails because there's be a lot of times, a lot of stories of when you get your nails done, you using that file thing, you burn your whole meat off under your doggone nails. I'm talking the whole meat off. You're burning your whole skin off. So I was taking it lightly, considering she's the first one I actually like touch her hand besides mine. So I wanted to go ahead and like try to be very cautious of doing that. Of course, there's gonna be more videos, basically more videos of doing nails, doing drawing, doing painting, doing all that type of stuff. Basically a lot of stuff that I want to actually do in the future. So you guys are actually going to follow in my journey. I'm definitely want to own a nail business at least after I get my bachelor's in arts degree. This is my last semester in the spring. This is my last semester before I get my AA degree. I have 3 classes right now. I'm taking art portfolio, drawing composition 2, which is an advanced drawing, and I'm taking statistics, which is the last math I have to do, and I'm really not good at math, so please pray with me, bear with me, do the best you can do. I'm not really going to talk about like how I'm like doing her nails, because I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with what I'm doing in this video as the video go along, if that makes sense. I really want to hopefully also achieve in building more content. FYI, there is a lot of subscribers that I have right now that I think they're subscribed mainly from my reaction videos that I did in the past. FYI, I ain't doing no more reaction videos. I am done. I'm done. I can't do it. Whoever do reaction videos, you either drop out of school and stay with YouTube, or it's either or. I cannot maintain my education, my college education, and doing reaction videos. I just cannot do it because there's a lot of people that request, and if you do not accept their request or you do not do the videos that they want, they get so mad and they just unfollow. Not saying that all of my subscribers are like that, but there are some subscribers, and there is a lot of male subscribers. So I actually want to gain like in between male, female, like that type of situation. I mean, of course there's gonna be more females after this, but there's a lot of people there's a lot of male artists and all that type of stuff. So that's what I want to have for my content, is basically nails and art related stuff. Maybe DIYs, I don't know. I have no room to be doing no DIY. I don't know. I'm already a little bit insecure about my work and all that type of stuff, but hopefully after this video I want to do a drawing video or something like that. Again, it will not be a tutorial. It will most likely be a time lapse because I'm basically recording off my phone, which is really good quality because it's the lighting, sweetie. It's the lighting. It's definitely the light that's giving the glory. So I definitely want to. What was I talking about? What was I talking about? Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. So I'm definitely going to do like basically time-lapsing videos of artwork and all that, etc. All that stuff that I had talked about just now. Now, I'm not going to talk no more. But if you really want a college advice, I will be free enough to give it to you. Just comment below if you're really asking for college advice, especially for freshmen, especially the one that's going to start this upcoming summer or this upcoming fall, because everybody else is just doing their work during springtime. So I'm gonna just go ahead and shut it up, and that'll be it. Yeah, that's it.